Oh man, what to eat tonight? Ooh. Oh man, the wife got the wings. Oh snap. You know what? I want to make some lemon pepper wings. Let me go get my junior chefs, man. We're about to make these lemon pepper wings. They're going to be busting. All right, man, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, we're back, and we're gonna make some bussin' lemon pepper wings.
Man, you heard my junior chefs. We're here to make some yummy, delicious bussin' lemon pepper wings. Very easy key ingredients that we got. We're gonna take you step by step to make these things. But enough of that talk. You guys want to see it made. We're gonna make it, and it's gonna be good. What you guys think?
Yep, it's gonna be super bussin'.
All right, man, let's go. So I told you it was going to be a few key ingredients that you need for this recipe. And we got a cup of all-purpose flour that we're going to pour in this bowl, this mixing bowl, so we can get those chickens coated. So my junior chef there, she's putting that in that bowl like so. We got a teaspoon of lemon pepper season that we're going to put in there. We got a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we got a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Some people like to use kosher salt, but we like that Himalayan salt here at Manual Focus. And then they're gonna whisk that ingredients up in there real good. And when you whisk that thing in there, you should see those flakes. And that's a good job of sharing right there. Look at this. I got the drum. I'm gonna drop it in this flour here. Roll it around a little bit so we can get, just like I said, just a nice little coating. You don't want anything that's going to be in that excess. Just get a little coating like that. Hit that side like that. And just like Taylor Swift, shake that thing off, shake it off, shake it off. And then you got that nice little coating like that. And we're going to do a couple of the wings. We're going to let it rest on that cooling rack there. Alright, so we speeded up the process there. You can see the chicken resting. And like I said, what you want to do is you want to get a good small coating, nothing major. Got some cilantro, and I'll tell you why. I like the pop of flavor that cilantro gives us when I make things. So what I did was just, slice that thing up, get some nice little flakes there. And when I dress my chicken, when it's done, you got that presentation, but you also got that pop taste of cilantro. Also too, I got a lemon, just one lemon. Cut that thing in half like so. You're going to use 1/2 of this lemon, and you're going to put it in the 3/4 cups of butter. Once we melt that, that's going to be the coating for your lemon pepper wings. I got my fryer here. It's set to 350 degrees. We're going to fry these wings, and they're going to be fried for 5 to 7 minutes. But what you really want to look for is golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of these wings in this fryer. So we're going to go ahead and get these things lined up and drop these bad boys. So I'm just lining up my wings there. So we had the wings cooking 5 to 7 minutes. I took it to about the 6 to 7 minute mark, so it's golden brown. We're gonna go ahead and bring these things up, as you can see, nice and golden brown. And then we're gonna bring these things over and rest them on our sheet here, our cooling rack. Chicken right there, nice and golden brown. It looks yummy, delicious. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this chicken. We got the oven set to 350, and we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. So we got our melted butter here. This is 3/4 cups right here of melted butter. And I got the lemon. Like I said, we got the half lemon. You see those seeds right there? So you don't want that seeds to get into your butter there, so you want to just kind of let that juice flow through your hands like so, and then you catch those seeds like that, so you get that nice little lemon juice in there, that fresh lemon juice. But you want to catch that again, those seeds there. So you see those seeds, you want to catch that, and then you get that lemon juice down in your butter there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use that other half of lemon because I want that flavor. So you've seen where we put the lemon juice into the butter. Now we got those 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper sauce, lemon pepper seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in there, like so. Get that thing to stir. Gonna stir it up just a little bit. Get that good mix in there. Alright guys, you hear the oven going off, so that was 10 minutes in the oven at 350. We're going to bring these things out. Make sure I don't burn myself here, and they smell delicious. So we're going to bring these things out. Look at them, golden brown. That's how you like them right there. Nice and golden brown. So we're going to set this thing here. And then we're going to go ahead and get these things dressed up. So I'm gonna turn that stove off like so. Make sure you get a nice bowl. So you can see this bowl right here is nice and deep. So when I put these wings in here, I can give them a nice little toss and you don't have stuff going all on the floor. So we're gonna put a couple wings in there, and then we're gonna coat that bad boy with that lemon pepper seed. And you got that butter and that lemon pepper. You're just gonna sprinkle, pour that on there like so. See that? And then you wanna just get that bad boy. Nice little toss in there. Shake it around, give it a toss in there like so. Just a couple. If you wanna put a little lemon zest in there, you can do so. Then just give it a little nice little toss again. So when it comes out, that butter is nice and good. So we're gonna put this thing back on here and let it rest just for a little bit. We're gonna coat the other wings, and then we're gonna come back, give it a taste, and see exactly how that thing tastes. It smells good, and we're gonna try this thing out. So we'll be right back. But I'm gonna hit it with another of lemon pepper because I really like the lemon pepper flavor. You don't have to. But like I said, I just want to kind of take it over the top, and we're going to hit it with some more seasoning there. Don't be ashamed or afraid to put more on there if you need to. Like I said, I like my wings to be flavorful. And there you go. You got nice lemon pepper wings, and you don't even have to leave the comfort of your own home. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and taste this bad boy. This thing looks nice and juicy, so I'm gonna give it a taste, see how it tastes. That's pretty good right there. Guys, you gotta try that recipe. Good, and it's delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.